Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix error code we couldn't sign you in to Xbox Live on PC. Alright, so let's begin. This issue usually happens due to missing or corrupted system files. But don't worry, we can fix it using two simple methods. This error commonly appears while signing into the Xbox app or connecting to Xbox Live. Just follow these steps carefully. Let's start with the first step. Reset the Xbox app. Go to the Windows search bar, type settings and open it. Then click on apps and go to installed apps. Scroll down until you find Xbox in the list. Click on the three dots next to it and select advanced options. Now scroll down and click on the reset button. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete. If the app is not working properly, make sure the reset finishes successfully. After that, restart to restart your PC. Once your system restarts, move to the next step. Update and reset Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu and launch the Microsoft Store. When it opens, go to the Library section. Use the search bar inside Microsoft Store, type Xbox and open it. If you see an available update, click on Update to install the latest version of the Xbox app. Keeping the app updated can fix many sign-in issues. After updating, we will repair Microsoft Store. Again, go to the Windows search bar, type Settings and open it. Click on Apps, then Installed Apps and scroll down to System Components. Find Microsoft Store in the list, click on the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and click on Repair. Wait until the repair process is completed. Once done, open Microsoft Store again from the Start menu. Sign out of your Microsoft account, then sign back in. After logging in again, open the Xbox app and try signing in. Your problem should now be fixed, and that's it. This is how you can fix error code we couldn't sign you into Xbox Live on PC. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.